Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have finally gotten well enough, and by well enough I mean I'm about 30% better. Still kind of sick, but I got down to my studio and was able to pull out my art journal. That is a Strathmore watercolor art journal, and grabbed my paints that were there and my little jam jar of water. And the paints I'm using are Rosa Gallery watercolor paints. I believe I hauled those on the channel, but if not, they are a great set of paints. You can get some of the sets on Amazon, but I got mine on my cult pen. Yeah, I think I did a cult pen haul video. So if you want to search for that, that should be on my channel. But great set of watercolors, activate very, very quickly, rich in pigment. So I just took a ink pen, like a micron type pen that is waterproof, and I drew these flowers out. And I have them kind of going in different directions. I've got the one on the left there that's kind of dripping down, and then I have the purple one that I just got through touching, the one I'm working on right there, is kind of pointing to the back, and then you see the other two, and then I have a few stems and leaves. So pretty simple, but I was happy to get down and use my art supplies. If you don't mind at this time hitting like and subscribe and checking out the links when you're done with this video, that would let YouTube know to promote this to other people, and that would be a huge blessing to me. Thank you so much for that and for taking time to watch today. For most of these flowers, I was using the wet on wet technique, where you just kind of wet the area there, and it kind of depends on your watercolor paper, how much water you need to add and how coarse it is and how thick it is and all of those textural things. So yeah, just trying to get some stuff done, guys. Lots of things in 2024 that I'm going to have to be trying out. You know, the between Etsy doing its thing, I've had to explore other avenues, and yeah, so I'm still at my Etsy shop. I have my Patreon shop, and Spoonflower and Raspberry Creek fabrics and lots of things. So a lot of times these flowers end up on a surface pattern, and you can get those there. Of course, you can always check out my blog at cynthiamaynard.com. But yeah, lots of fun painting. I like to paint flowers, and right now in Michigan, it has been, I'll tell you how my January went. Our family we got really, really sick, and then our power went out for days. And we're always, when our power goes out, I don't know why it is, but we're always like one of the last few percentage of people to get it back on. And we do have a generator, which I'm very, very thankful for, and I'm thankful it starts each time. It is much prayed over. And but of course we run minimal things on the generator because it's obviously it's not a whole house generator like my neighbors surrounding me have, which is nice. I'm glad they have that. But someday, those are the goals. But yeah, it's been, and then we got a bunch of snow, and that turned to ice and then slush, and our cars have been getting stuck. It's been crazy. Crazy January. So hopefully that's not an indicator of the rest of the year, but you know how that goes. Hopefully you guys are having a little bit more of a calmer January, but always glad for art and being able to draw and paint and create and keep my mind engaged in a healthy manner. And it is election year, so we're all gotta put our seatbelts on here. Oh man, I'm praying for the Lord to come back. No, well, I am, but if he doesn't, that's his business. But anyways, I'm just glad we can create, guys, and whether you're here for the creating or the painting or the cooking, just that we're being productive and industrious and adding good things to the world, and not some of these other things going on. But anyways, so flowers are always kind of my go-to when in doubt kind of moments. It's either flowers or historical ladies. I don't know why that is, but that's what I tend to do. But so yeah, I had fun doing these. I feel like my voice is going to go here. So I did add a little bit of colored pencil to this because I felt like it needed it. And I just wanted to layer on some things there quickly. And so whenever I feel like I need to do something quickly, I grab my color pencils. But I like to mix up my media. And then I also used the Fine Tech gold set that I think, did I already pull that out? I did. And that is so shimmery and pretty. So if you can get a hold of that set, it's really, you can't see it very well here, but it is beautiful. And who doesn't love shimmery gold on their flowers, right? All right, guys, thanks so much for stopping by. If you would check out the links, hit the like and subscribe, do all the good things, share, and tell your friends, highway and the byway. Thanks so much and have a great day.